What? You were at the vet yesterday, not feeling well and being miserable. Now you're killing my leg. Huh? Did they inject you with lithium? Or are you just an energized bunny? Mischief? Missy Mischief? What's it, Buds? Hey, buddy, what's it? My pants smell like vet, because we had Missy at the vet yesterday. She was bloated and the doctor given her 3 injections. Now she's better. Huh, Birds? That's what you can smell.